Hey everyone. So I'm in the middle of folding clothes, but I start school tomorrow and I'm excited. I'm ready to get back into it. I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of film how I get ready for school and, get back into the routine of things, because I think that's one of the hardest things about starting school again after coming from a long break, or just slowly transitioning out of the quarantine mindset. So I'm just gonna show you all the things that I do to kind of get on track, and then I'll take you around my first day of classes, which will be interesting because I have no idea what to expect. So I'm gonna finish cleaning over here and we'll get into it. So I'm gonna drive over to a friend of mine's place and then we're gonna go to Target, and I'm just gonna pick up some basic school supplies, like high school supply shopping. That's kind of what I have in mind. Just the classic, like fancy pencils that make you feel good whenever you use them. Maybe a notebook or two, just to have in my bag. Honestly, I do most of my work on my laptop, but it's good to have new supplies for a new semester. Oh, I didn't realize I opened that. Let's play Find Halle's Car. Found it.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?
Hello. Yeah, he's cute. He's cute. So, is that Cam's art?
Yeah. Actually, it's me. This is a kid I was talking to, yeah. We got new editors this semester, and she says,
Look at him looking at the shadow.
is it on campus? Like, do you have to walk? Yeah. Who wants ours?
Oh, me. So we do now?
Yeah.
Fucking A! Where's the cord? Where's the cord? Time to go school shopping.
Back to school.
Back to school. So I'm gonna look for a water bottle because I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking to and from classes, and I gotta stay hydrated. And I didn't come to school with one, which is dumb. Are you guys excited for the first day of school?
Yeah! A little scarred. So did that.
All right, I just got back from the store. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I picked up that I think are essential for going back to school. First thing is some food related stuff. I found these leak-proof bags. I think these are great because I find that when I put stuff in baggies and throw it in my backpack, crumbs get everywhere, even if it's in a Ziploc. So I think this will be better for snacking. I found this little bento box, which was $10, but it's great. It looks really easy to wash. It comes with this little silicone band. And if you pull the top off, it has a divider in it. So you can put snacks or a sandwich or something in here, and then a side, and just seal it up, and you don't have to worry about it getting everywhere, because it seems pretty secure, which is great. For snack ideas, I'd always recommend keeping stuff in your fridge that will, 1, last for a while, 2, keep you full, and 3, can go without being refrigerated for a little bit. And I find that dips like hummus and stuff like that, I can eat at room temp and not feel like I'm gonna get sick and die. I also got some coffee creamer and some soy sauce, because you gotta restock. This looked good. I had to switch to instant coffee because I forgot to bring my French press to campus. So I definitely need some sprucing up because I feel like I'm drinking toilet water. And I also got a water bottle. I used to get so cranky during classes, and it's because my stomach felt empty, even though I had just had like a nice filling lunch. And I find that it's because I'm dehydrated. So ever since I started to get better about forcing myself to drink water at every meal and in between, it gives me energy, I'm peeing regularly, and it's pretty clear, and I don't know, it makes me feel better. I also got some notebooks. I decided to switch to quad ruled, so it has little squares in it. I think that'll help with making my handwriting look pretty. And I got some nice pens. So what I'm going to do tonight is plan out my classes and make myself a schedule that I can just throw up on my wall and keep there the whole semester. And I'll just feel a little bit better about my first day of school tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, class starts in 5 minutes. Like I said, this first one is over Zoom. Not all semester, but looks like this first week we're gonna be attending JCM media production online, which is okay.
Good morning. We have a few more people jumping in, but we'll get started in the next minute or two.
All right, class number 1 is complete. And my teacher is kind of badass. She studied the art of tattoos, and she's also super experienced in the film industry. And my declared minor is media production, so this is like an introductory editing class, which will be really exciting, I think. We're working with Premiere Pro and a lot of professional equipment, so I'm really excited. Class number 2 is at 11, so I have a little bit less than 2 hours before that. I'm gonna get a workout in. It just started to rain, so I'm just gonna do it in my room, and I'll see you then. gonna show you how to make candied chickpeas.
Every Thursday? Tuesday, Thursday. Or no, wait.
There are some days where you don't meet with your section, so just keep an eye on the course calendar. Anytime you see a green or a red hot link in your calendar, news media, when can I turn it off and just like reflect and process with paper and pen to get a different reaction to what's happening around me? And in this generation where you guys are going to influence, a lot of decisions on down the decades, how can I approach that?
All right, I'm back. My school day's pretty much over. It's late afternoon. And honestly, I don't have much to do. I read over all the syllabi and signed everything I needed to and did all my work for today, so I'm gonna pretend like I'm busy and do some work on my computer, but really, there's not much going on. If you're starting school, I wish you all the best. If you're stressed, don't be. It's not that bad. I can't speak for you, but I'm just trying to be positive here. Thanks for following me around a little bit. I hope this gave you a glimpse at what college amidst Corona is like. It's a little dismal, but kind of nice. You make your way. I'm gonna open some mail, kind of just hang out here, and I'll see you next time.